for more videos like this. Things are getting more tougher for both APC and PDP as different issues to disqualify each other is coming out on a daily basis. Can you imagine that? The main election has not started yet, things are going this way. Anyways, let's get started with the news. Adams Oshiomole says Pastor Ize-Iyamu is not fit to rule Edo State now and forever. Pastor Ize-Iyamu, who was the People's Democratic Party (PDP) candidate in the 2016 governorship election, yesterday clinched the All Progressives Congress (APC) ticket in an election that was postponed by the acting national chairman of APC, Mr. Victor Giadom. Since Pastor Ize-Iyamu emerged as a candidate, APC leaders have refused to congratulate him. From all indications, Pastor Ize-Iyamu lacks the financial ingenuity and leadership competence skills to rule. According to Comrade Adams Oshiomole, Ize-Iyamu cannot be trusted with public funds. He further noted that Pastor Ize-Iyamu is a fake pastor and a thief. Of course, it is on record that Pastor Ize-Iyamu is facing 700 million fraud in court. Moreover, Pastor Ize-Iyamu cannot match the people's Governor Godwin Obaseki. The latter is tested and trusted. According to Comrade Adams Oshiomole, 1. God knows that Godwin comes from a large family in the Benin Kingdom. He went to school, he finished secondary school, he went to the University of Ibadan, he finished, there were no issues, he finished in flying colors. 2. He went to the U.S., he did his masters, he came back home, started helping people to set up businesses, he helped to manage businesses, he helped to set up many banks including several second-generation banks. 3. I don't care if Obaseki betrays me at the end of the day, Obaseki's allegiance should be to the people and not me. 4. The oath of office he is going to subscribe to says that he will defend the Constitution of Nigeria. He will do everything to uplift the quality of life of Edo people. Nothing in his oath of office will include, I shall not betray my predecessor, because I have no interest to be betrayed. 5. Obaseki had been part of the tradition. He knows the vision, he knows the mission, he knows the target, he knows where we are, he knows the challenges, and he knows how to overcome them. 6. He sits in the office of the economic team which he built using his network of friends inside the heart of government house without demanding 1 naira. 7. I know my limits. He knows his limits. Godwin Obaseki has worked for 7.5 years for the people of Edo State, using his brain, creativity, quietly, not making noise. 8. A man like Obaseki, who will not ask me to give him contracts, but will promise me, comrade, you just do the thinking, we will create the means to actualize your thoughts. 9. And to his credit today, check the books of Edo State, we did not build new structures in a government house with government money. That economic team office was built through government. DJ